Alright, so we just had this EB4048C Pressure Pro belt dry pressure washer delivered. Let's take a look at what to expect with unboxing. Alright, so obviously when I remove the staples, and as you can see, everything's going to be pretty much almost ready to go in there. Dividers we can pull out of here. Might want to pull out the lance, set that off to the side. We've got the all-important manual, which you want to read before you do anything with this machine. Got your oil for the engine. We've got your hoses, your high pressure hose, and we've got your spray gun. You're going to see all your tips already in your dashboard of your machine there, and we'll just start unboxing and pulling out these separations. You can see it's packed pretty darn well. Alright, so as you can see, it's boxed really well. It's convenient. It's nice to come to your house this way. You're gonna have it in good condition. I will say it's probably going to be easier for you to just cut the sides of the box and roll it right out. It's ready to go. The wheels are on it, so you're all ready to go with this thing and rock and roll. For our demonstration today, we're just going to pull it out of the box and let you see what it looks like when we're done. Alright, so here you go. Here's your EB4048C. We've got a belt dry pressure washer. You can see right here where the pump is well separated from the engine, so you're going to get that longer run time with this. Again, a heavy duty pump. You got all your spray tips in the dashboard over here, ready to go. Nice large fuel tank for extended run. You got your bypass hose on the pump. It comes with a heavy duty professional grade spray lance and a gun. Got your 50 feet of hose, oil for the engine, and a chemical injection for using with chemicals and soap, and the all-important manual. Got a nice little holder over here for the spray gun once you're all set to hold the gun and lance in place. And you're really, all you need to do is check the oil level, or fill it with oil, check the level, fill it with gas, and you're ready to go. Another thing that's very important to point out, whenever these pumps ship, they have a shipping cap. That's just to prevent any oil from leaking out of the pump. It's going to come with an extra cap. It's got a little air breather on there so that you get proper ventilation through the pump. You need to change these out. That's very important. If you don't change it out, you're going to have a lot of problems with this thing not operating right. Your oil's going to turn milky really quick, and you're going to have a lot of problems with that unit. It's going to be going into a repair shop real soon. Again, the belt drive's going to be for your jobs where you're running that thing continuously for at least 2 to 3 hours at a time on a job. It's built for a higher PSI, 4,000 on this particular model of 4 gallons per minute. Professional grade pump, triplex pump. And you can see the frame is much heavier duty. The wheels are much heavier duty, larger wheels, never flat tires, so they're never going to go flat on you. So that's going to do the really heavy duty jobs you have around the house.